Hi and welcome, plant lovers. Today we are delving into the captivating world of green wall planters, bringing nature to new heights. Get ready to explore the wonders of vertical gardening and discover how can create your own living masterpiece. Are you looking for a unique and space-saving way to incorporate more greenery into your life? Join us on a journey through the beauty and functionality of green wall planters. We will come alive with a vibrant tapestry of plants. Green wall planters, also known as a living walls or vertical gardens, offer a creative solution for transforming blank walls into captivating living artworks. With modular system, you can easily customize the size and design to suit your space and preferences. Even if you have a limited space, green wall planters allow you to bring nature closer to you. Whether you have a balcony, a small patio, or even an indoor space, vertical gardens provide a stunning solution for maximizing your green space. Apart from their aesthetic appeal, green wall planters offer several practical benefits. They improve air quality by filtering pollution, help regulate temperature and humidity, and create a sense of tranquility and well-being. Additionally, they can act as natural sound barriers, reducing noise level in busy urban environments. One of the exciting aspects of green wall planters is the wide range of plants you can choose from. Select plants with different textures, colors, and size to create a visually stunning display. From cascading vines to vibrant flowering plants, the choices are endless. Maintaining green wall planter is easier than you might think. Regular watering, pruning, and occasionally fertilizing are necessary to keep your plants healthy and thriving. However, many modular systems come with built-in irrigation and drainage system, making the maintenance process more convenient. Green wall planters offer a unique way to bring nature into your living outdoor spaces. Whether you want to create a lush vertical garden, grow herbs for your kitchen, or simply add a touch of greenery to a bare wall, a green wall planter is a versatile and beautiful solution. That's all for today's video. I hope this exploration of green wall planters has inspired you to embark on your own vertical gardening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening.